Hi everybody, it's Steve Iverson again here, and just wanted to give you a really quick shop tour and show you some of the stuff that we keep on hand here. And at the end we'll talk about why we keep it on hand and we stock so much material in our shop in Southeast Michigan, Commerce Township. So to start with, we have some structural material here that we use to shore up our crawl spaces and other components that need help. We keep all of our foam insulation up here, so it's expanded polystyrene. Our silver glow wall system gets stored on the upper racks, and then we have our water guard system right here, which is part of every waterproofing project that we do in Southeast Michigan. Over here, in this section here, we have our triple safe sump pump basket, which already has 2 pumps in the bottom of this crock. We also have our battery backup, which is part of the triple safe, and we stock batteries here on the shelf in Southeast Michigan. Over in this section of our shop area is where we keep our PVC moldings, anything from our rake moldings to our PVC crown moldings, case, base, and columns, including shoe molding. We keep it all on the shelf here so that when we need it, we got it and we can use it. Okay, we're on the west end of our warehouse right now, and we have vinyl plank on the shelf, a variety of different colors. We have our sinks, and behind me here we have where we are staging projects for delivery. We're collecting all the material, putting it one spot on a pallet so that we can just pick it off the shelf, put it on a truck, and send it to the customer's home. So a big reason that we stock so much material in our warehouse here is we want to have material on our shelves so it doesn't slow down the project. When we need the materials, we got to have them so we can keep building.